I want you to think of your hair not as a decoration, but as a plant. You can buy the most expensive shine sprays and shampoos, the equivalent of polishing the leaves, but if the soil is poor and the roots are starving, the plant will wither. It will turn dry, brittle, and lose its vibrant color. Your scalp is that soil. And the fertilizer doesn't come from a bottle, it comes from your fork. I see patients every week who are terrified by the amount of hair they see in the shower drain, or the sudden appearance of gray hairs. They ask for biotin pills or expensive treatments. But often, their blood work shows a simple truth. They are malnourished at the follicular level. Their hair isn't dying, it's starving. In this video, I am going to reveal the top 7 foods that act as high-octane fuel for your hair follicles. These aren't just random healthy foods. They are selected based on their biochemical ability to produce keratin, strength, and melanin color. We will talk about how to stop the rusting process that turns hair gray and how to thicken your strands from the inside out. 1. The hydration hero, wild salmon. Let's start with the foundation of a healthy scalp. Wild salmon. Your body cannot produce omega-3 fatty acids on its own. You must eat them. Omega-3s are found in the cell membranes of your scalp skin and in the natural oils that keep your scalp and hair hydrated. Without them, your hair becomes dry and brittle, like straw. But salmon also offers vitamin D, which is crucial because it stimulates the hair follicle dormant cycle. A deficiency in vitamin D has been directly linked to hair loss, alopecia. Eating salmon is like watering the plant at the deepest root level. 2. The oxygen carrier, lentils. Number 2 is the humble lentil. This is your primary weapon against thinning hair. Why? Because lentils are packed with folic acid and, most importantly, iron. Iron is the vehicle that carries oxygen in your red blood cells. If your iron is low, which is very common in women, your body enters survival mode. It stops sending oxygen to non-essential tissues like hair to save it for your heart and lungs. The result is hair shedding. Lentils provide the iron needed to keep that oxygen supply line open, ensuring your follicles can breathe and grow. 3. The color guardian, walnuts. Number 3 is specifically for those fighting gray hair. Walnuts. Walnuts are unique among nuts because they are rich in copper. Copper is biologically essential for the production of melanin, the pigment that gives your hair its color. A lack of copper is one of the leading causes of premature graying. Additionally, walnuts are a fantastic source of biotin, vitamin B7, which strengthens the keratin infrastructure of the hair strand, preventing breakage. 4. The anti-gray enzyme, sweet potatoes. Number 4 might surprise you, sweet potatoes. We know them for beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A for sebum production. But they are also a source of the enzyme catalase and antioxidants. Why does hair turn gray? Science suggests it's a buildup of hydrogen peroxide in the follicle, which literally bleaches the hair from the inside out. Catalase is the enzyme that breaks down this hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. By eating antioxidant-rich foods like sweet potatoes, you help your body defend against this bleaching process. 5. The building block, eggs. Number 5 is the classic, eggs. Hair is almost entirely made of protein. If you don't eat enough protein, hair growth stalls. But eggs are special because they are nature's multivitamin for hair. They contain biotin, protein, and leucine, an amino acid essential for cell division. Warning: do not eat raw egg whites frequently, as they can actually block biotin absorption. Cook them to unlock their full potential. 6. The natural conditioner, spinach. Number 6 is spinach. Think of spinach as your internal conditioner. It is loaded with vitamin A, which acts as the regulator for sebum production. Sebum is the natural oil that your scalp produces to protect the hair strand. Too little, and you have dandruff and breakage. Too much, and you have oily limp hair. Spinach provides the nutrients to keep this oil production balanced, while also supplying iron and vitamin C. 7. The pigment booster, dark chocolate. Finally, number 7 is a treat, dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa. This is another powerhouse for copper and zinc. As we discussed, copper is the key to melanin synthesis. Zinc plays a crucial role in hair tissue growth and repair. It also helps keep the oil glands around the follicles working properly. A square of dark chocolate a day is a delicious prescription for maintaining your natural color. Conclusion: you cannot control your genetics, but you can control the environment in which your genes operate. By feeding your body these 7 foods: salmon, lentils, walnuts, sweet potatoes, eggs, spinach, and dark chocolate, you are providing the raw materials for strong, pigmented, and resilient hair. You are moving from a state of depletion to a state of abundance. However, a medical note: sudden patchy hair loss or rapid graying can sometimes indicate thyroid issues or autoimmune conditions. If diet doesn't help, please see a dermatologist or endocrinologist. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these foods is missing from your diet? Are you ready to add walnuts to your breakfast to protect your color? Tell me in the comments below. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Let's grow healthy together.